Hello everyone, you're welcome. If you are one of those in my group that wanted to buy Sidra, and let's say your KYC for the Sidra chain has not been approved and you are desperate to buy the Sidra coins or tokens to your wallet. So this tutorial is for you. This tutorial I'm going to explain and break down the processes you need to go through to buy your Sidra directly into your MetaMask or your OKX wallet. All right, while you are waiting for the KYC, the other KYC to be approved, and whenever it is approved, fine, you can still move your coins or tokens from your MetaMask back to your Sidra Chain wallet. Okay, so let's get started. So for you to buy any Sidra coin from anyone, you're gonna be needing the address from MetaMask. Okay, so what you'll be doing is that you'll be copying this address. You'll be copying this address to the person that wants to transfer Sidra to you. Okay, so you copy it and send to the person, and that person is going to use this address and transfer the Sidra to you. All right, now the Sidra recently integrated this MetaMask as the last few months, and so now it is very easier for anyone to transfer Sidra to your MetaMask. Okay, so that is why if you want to transfer any Sidra or buy any Sidra from anybody, only with this alone you can do the job. Just copy this address alone and send to the person. The person is going to forward Sidra through this address, and it is going to show up in your wallet. But mind you, it's not going to show up even if you copy it and send to the person. It's not gonna pop up. You have to enable it first before it is going to show. So let's say after you copy this address and send to the person, you have to go and enable the network, the Sidra network here in your MetaMask before you can see it sitting right here. Okay, now for you to do that, this is what you have to do first. There are actually two ways that you can enable your Sidra here in your MetaMask, so that once you buy from somebody and the person sends the Sidra tokens to your MetaMask wallet, it is also gonna be sitting in the same section as the Ethereum. Okay, so this is how you go about it. For you to be able to enable Sidra here in your MetaMask, there are two ways you can do that, just as I said. The first one, you can add the network directly into this MetaMask through here. You can click on there. You can add the network directly here by clicking on it. So when you click on it, you have to go and provide the Sidra network, the RPC, the Cain Id, the symbol, and the block explorer. Once these 5 things are being added, the Sidra network is going to be added automatically. Okay, now I'll be dropping all of this in the description of the video, so that you can decide to choose any of them that you want to use. So I'll be copying down this. I'll be pasting this right in the description of the video. You can either use it, or you can use the second option I'm gonna be showing you. So this is the first option. All right, so after that you click on save. All right, after inputting all of these, you click on save, and it will be saved automatically. And then when you get here, once you save it automatically, then the network is gonna appear here just below this Ethereum. All right, that is the first step. Okay, now the second step that I want you to know is to add, which is the quickest step that I want you to take, is to add it directly from the Web3 website. Okay, so I'm gonna be dropping the link, the official Sidra link, right also at the description of the video for you to copy. So when you copy that link, now you head over to the Web3 browser here and copy and paste it. Okay, so we just go and copy the link. All right, so here is the link that I'll be copying. This link here is the link that I'll be copying. So I've just copied the link. Now I'll just head back to my browser and click on that. I'll be dropping the link just at the description of this video. Okay, now it will take you to this site. Okay, what you have to do is just to scroll down a little bit. You see where you have this Sidra chain over here. You see where you have this Sidra chain over here. This Sidra chain, you are going to click on connect wallet. You click on connect wallet. You click on the connect wallet. Okay, you click on it. Now if you click on it and it doesn't take you down to, if it doesn't pop up this on time, which means your network is slow, so you just have to click on that connect wallet again, and then it will take you to this place. Okay, then you click on connect. Go ahead and click on connect. Go ahead and click on connect. You can see that your permission has been granted successfully. Now it will take you to this page to show that your mainnet, the Sidra mainnet, has been added successfully. You can see that you're adding this network to MetaMask. So it will pop up this. After popping up that, you just go ahead and click on continue. Now you click on got it. Now it has been added successfully. How you know that it has been added successfully is that when you look over here, you can see this little X sign over here. That shows that the mainnet has been added to MetaMask automatically. So if you go back, if you just go back, you can over here, you can now see that it has been added successfully. Now you can see that the Sidra SDA token has been added successfully to your MetaMask. So that is how you add your Sidra to your MetaMask. So also for the OKX wallet, we are going to be doing the same thing. We'll click down to where you have your discover. Click where you have your discover. Then you just head over to where the dApp section is. You paste that link that we copied. I'll be dropping the link at the description of the video. You can copy it and save it. Okay, just click on continue. If it takes a little time to load, that means it's from your network. You have to go on and check your network. Then so you give it some time for it to load. Now it will still take you to this page where you have your connect wallet here on Sidra Chain. You just click on that connect wallet. Now you can see here now that it will take you to this section where you have the Sidra Chain. These are the RPC, the network, the symbol, and the website. You just head over here and click on confirm. And after clicking on confirm, you just head over here and add it to your MetaMask wallet. So in the case of OKX Wallet, once you connect you click on that connect button. Once you click on that connect button, it will show you connected to Sidra Chain. And then whenever you see this, when you see this little X over atop this OKX sign here, it means the wallet has been connected successfully. All right, it means the wallet has been connected successfully. So what you have to do now, you don't have to tap on it, double tap on it, just like in the case of MetaMask, whereby you tap on this and you take it to another page. Here in OKX, once it shows green and you see this, just understand that it has been added successfully. So we'll now go back and find out if it has been added. Now when you go head back to the OKX normal section, you just search, when you go back to the OKX home section, when you click on here to take you to this section, okay, and when it takes you there, you now head over to this section. There is always a browser logo right here in this section. Just click on it. Whenever you click on it, it will take you to a new page. Now insert the Sidra mainnet that we've added inside there. You type Sidra and you can see that the token the mainnet has just popped up. You click on that, you click on it and it has been added successfully. So your Sidra has just been added successfully. I'm having a kind of network here, but it will pop up here. So now whenever I want to send any Sidra to anyone, you just copy this address and send to the person, or you head over to where you have your receiving address. You can decide to click on it, use any of the options there. You can decide to use any of the options there to receive your Sidra as the receiving address that you copy and send to whoever wants to send you Sidra. Okay, so congratulations, that is how you receive Sidra from anyone you want to buy from. And also one more point I want to hit here is the fact that when I tried buying Sidra from the MetaMask, it appeared, but I noticed that I tried sending it out to someone, but it didn't send out immediately. But when I imported the MetaMask wallet into my OKX, and the wallet, my Sidra tokens showed up, and then I now sent it to somebody, the transfer went immediately. It went immediately. So I'll advise that if you want to, from the little experience I had, I will advise that if you want to buy your Sidra, ensure that your wallet is imported into your OKX wallet, or you are using OKX wallet to buy, so that it will be easier for you to send out to somebody. Okay, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel if you find this video very useful, and see you in the next video.